Have you ever been complacent? I don't mean that sitting back, relaxing, doing nothing complacent, but what I mean is we get into a rut in our jobs and we actually think that what we know is all we know and is everything. That's everything we know. And we don't step outside our complacency to think about maybe there is one thing that I don't know about that could make my life a lot easier. Recently, I was presenting a high-level Excel training program for an organisation. And when I asked the question at the start, how many people had done any Excel training before, I had nothing, nada, nothing at all. Not one person put up their hand to say that they had had any training at all in Excel. Yet they were all here at an advanced class. They assumed that what they knew was high level. They didn't know what they didn't know, and they never stepped outside of themselves to view or check in to see what it is they needed. And reality was a lot of them didn't even know some of the basics. So my question to you today is, what are you or could you and your team be being complacent about? Is it complacent that perhaps whatever it is you're doing, whatever process you're working with is just working? So you use the old adage, if it ain't broke, why fix it? Well, I'm saying to you, if it ain't broke, but it's taking you a lot of time, maybe it's time you sat down and worked out if there was a better way. After all, we didn't go from the horse and cart to a car without looking and trying to do something different to make us more effective and productive. What are you going to do today? I'm Donna Hanson, Technology Strategist.